You can tell the doc we really need to talk. You can do my lab when I come in. You can tell the nurse to check my vital signs. You can write my plan of going home. You can tell my arms to lift the weight again. You can tell my feet to walk to the door. You can tell my hips to tell my achy joints they won't be landing on the floor. Don't send me out to the ED anymore. I just don't think you understand. 'Cause if you send me out to the ED once again, you really will mess up my discharge plan. You can tell my nurse my lips are rather pursed. I really cannot breathe. You can raise my bed underneath my head, telling care I need a CPAP please. Give me a meth or medication please. I already know I'm not okay. You can wash my face to watch my breathing pace. I won't be turning blue today. Don't send me out to the ED anymore. I just don't think you understand. 'Cause if you send me out to the ED once again, you really will mess up my discharge plan. Don't mess with my mind, it happens all the time. I don't know if I lunch today. This happened really quick, get the vital stick. I can't see, I guess I have another UTI.
Oh, give me a B! Give me an I!
Don't send me out to the ED anymore. I just don't think you understand. 'Cause if you send me out to the ED once again, you really will mess up my discharge plan.